How are we doing today, Green Thumbs? My name is Brandon, here with Easy Swap Pots, and it has been an incredibly exciting year. Now that we found a little downtime, we got right to work working on some of those special requests that we didn't have time to do during our busy season. And today, I am going to drop a very new product. And drum roll, please! Our newest product, it is a 16-inch half-round or half-moon planter insert. This was one of our most requested items during our busy season that we just didn't have time to make. So we got right to it and we have finished our half moon planter. The other biggest requested item was the cone planters, the hanging basket cone shaped planters. We had a really hard time sourcing those right now and we hope to bring those out soon. So stay tuned for that as well. If you're new to our liners and are unsure of why you'd want to choose an Easy Swap liner, it is because it's made out of a heavy duty fabric. You're going to get 3+ seasons out of it. The birds can't pick it apart to build their nest, and there's much better water retaining than there is of the Coco mat liners. And if you're curious what your planter dimensions are or how to figure it out, it's simply you're going to walk up to your planter, measure the back, and across from side to side it is 16 inches across the back. I know that this planter is 6 3/4 inches deep, which you measure that way, by 8 1/4 inches wide, which you measure across from the back to the very front furthest part. So that's how you know to figure out which size planter you have. And let's get planting this up. Alright, you can see here I already have one planted up. There's fresh potting soil in there with a little bit of compost. I'm going to go ahead and stick that in the planter. And if you couldn't tell, a lot of our liners look like they're too big for the planters, but once you get some soil in there, it fits perfect. Now that we got our potting soil and our compost in there, we're going to add in some extra vermiculite for some extra water holding capacity. There, that adds a couple cups of vermiculite and a couple cups of compost. Then all we have to do is just mix that all up. There we are. And now I'm going to plant it up. Today we're going to throw in a pink geranium and then some of these beautiful petunias. So let's get at it. So for some height, I'm just going to put this in the back, center. Rough up the bottom roots a little bit. All right. And now for our petunias. I'm just going to go ahead and run them across the front here. And then last but not least, we certainly wouldn't want to forget to water it. And I'm showing you that there isn't much leaking out of here. Actually, there's nothing leaking out of here yet. So the fabric is going to soak up all the water before it actually allows any water to drain through. And there we got our first dripping of water. And we know then we're pretty good. And there you have it, folks. We got a half round 16-inch planter all planted up with our Easy Swap liner. Let's check it out. I don't know how else to say it other than I feel truly blessed to have such an amazing season this past spring. We had 12 or 1,300 liners go all over the country to green thumbs just like you. And I know we had a lot of requests for this, so I hope we can help you there too. Until next time, peace.